With
Thunder lizards! Dr. Steggy believes the Thugosaurs may have built a terrible new weapon, which you may be called upon to seek out and destroy, so pay attention.
Well,
Okay.
I'm telling you guys, I'm missing a piece here. This is crazy. Good one, Squat.
You're missing a piece, all right. The piece you're missing is called a brain. Now pay attention.
Yes, sir. Lieutenant, sir. Roger that, sir. Hey, yeah.
Good.
These satellite photos show what our experts believe to be the components of a deadly super beehive cannon under construction deep in the X-zone. This super beehive cannon can launch a massive beehive grenade from the X-zone to any target 100 miles away, including our fair Jurassic City.
You three are to infiltrate the X-zone under the cover of night. You are to find this super cannon and destroy it. I want this mission completed with no screw-ups by the time I come back from my much-needed vacation. Any questions?
yes, sir. I have a question, man. Sir, where are you going for vacation, and will you bring us something back?
I'm going to a place where you'll never find me. And I'll bring you back something that's made up of 5 green fingers if you screw up this operation. Now get out! Get out! Get out!
We are entering the X-zone. I'm now turning off all interior and running lights and going to thermal night goggles so we may remain undetected. Now, lying in complete darkness, the Thugosaurs will never suspect we have entered their airspace. Right, guys? Guys?
Check this out, Cutter.
Nice one, Squat. Very scary. How about this one?
Very disturbing, Cutter. But can you top this?
Thunderfools! Fire! Good one, Squat. But that's not anywhere near as scary as what Doc has going there.
Excuse me, I hate to break up the fun, but I need to point something out to you. Do you see that?
Isn't that interesting, Doc? It looks like a surface-to-air beehive missile.
And do you know why that missile is headed this way?
I'm sorry.
Hey, Bill, did you see that shooting star? Boy, it's a big one. Make a wish, buddy.
Oh, yes, I'll make a wish, all right, Scooter. And oh, what a glorious wish it is.
That's enough wishing for now, Bill. It's time for reality. Like, what do you want to do tonight, buddy? Huh? The night's still young. What should we do, huh?
What should we do? What do we do every night, you coconut brain? The same old thing. We starve, freeze, avoid having our heads chewed by jungle slugs until the morning light comes up, and it's the same story, but it's daytime, which only means you can actually see the jungle slugs chewing on your head. Oh, what a wonderful world!
Bill?
What is it, Scooter?
Well, I'm afraid you inadvertently stepped over that crevice in the ground there that, well, leads to the cave that's full of nothing but poisonous bugs.
So I have. Sad, isn't it?
Come on, guys. We gotta move away from the crash site before it blows up.
Hello, your flemminess? I hope I'm not getting you at a bad time.
As a matter of fact, this is a bad time, Biff. I'm very busy. What is it?
The Thunder Lizards have crash-landed not far from the site of our secret weapon. We are moments from capturing them.
Excellent, Biff. Bring them to me. I want nothing to interfere with our first Super Beehive launch on Jurassic City. Especially those thunder lizards.
As you command, O intellectually stunted one.
Gee, Doc, it's awful dark and scary out here.
Fear not, gentle Saws. I managed to save our night vision goggles.
Oh, man, I love these things. Everything's so clear and, Guys, help! There's some kind of giant insect trying to eat me.
Get a grip, Squad. It's just a teeny tiny bug, for goodness sake.
Yes, Squat. Don't be fooled by the magnification effect of these goggles. The little bug can appear enormous. Take a look at the little critter. On my lens, it looks like a monster. Ha ha ha.
Doc, you might want to take a closer look at that little bug.
Huh? Oh, boy.
Let go of me! Eat some on your own side! Ow! You may sting me, but you can't! Ow! Giggity! Ha! Stupid poisonous bugs! You forget you're dealing with man! And this is my world! Huh?
The thunder lizards have eluded us for now. We'll rest here.
Oh, when does the hurting stop?
The night, breeding ground of fear and loneliness, the cold, infinite blackness of it all. As a young, skinless reptile, I believed there were monsters, beasties, and terrible, twisted creatures lurking out in the darkness, ready to frighten me. Of course, those creatures didn't exist, and now I'm all grown up and the faithful apprentice to a maniacal super fiend bent on destroying the world. So I guess it all worked out okay. Oh, thank you for listening. It's good to share your deepest secrets with those you trust. And you'll never tell the other guys. And terrible, twisted creatures lurking out in the darkness, ready to frighten me.
Come on, guys, in here.
Guys, this looks like a dino-made entrance of some kind. We should investigate.
Don't gotta ask twice.
Right behind you, Doc.
Where the heck are we, Doc?
Quick, follow me. Now, load the super cannon and set its sights on Jurassic City. I want that city annihilated immediately. The rest of you follow me. My cranium needs haberdashing.
No, we just saying. I just wanted to cook, that's all.
Guys, that's the terrible super cannon.
And they're gonna blast Jurassic City with the world's biggest beehive grenade!
Not if we switch the cannon's targeting coordinates. Cover me. Never mind. Just stay here. That missile won't come within 1,000 miles of Jurassic City. Now to get out of here and call in reinforcements to... Huh?
Gee, guys, something tells me this is a bad thing.
Well, guys, rest assured that at least we saved Jurassic City.
Yeah, guys, we can feel better knowing that although we may blow up, we saved the lives of millions of innocent dinosaurs since Doc retargeted this missile to detonate in the middle of nowhere hundreds of miles away.
Makes me feel kind of fuzzy inside, and... Hey, guys, look! There's General Galapagos! Hey, General! Hey, General Man! It's us, man! Look, we found the super cannon! We'll be right down.
We dinosaurs are doomed. I just know it.